Hello everyone, I am Vinay Singh and welcome to Power BI Learning Series. Today, we will see some basic transformations that are necessary before analyzing any data. So I have already loaded the data and this you can see in Power Query Editor screen. Now it is time to perform some basic transformations so that data is in a clean state and is in a sensible format. In the queries pane, you can see all the files that have been loaded. In our example, we have only one file which has been loaded and the name of file is of items. If I click on the file name, then I can preview the data in the middle and I can see this table has various columns like order date, region, item, among others. On the right hand side, I can see the name of the file as well as the different steps which have been applied on the data set. Now I can change the name of the file. So for example, from the current name of items, I can keep it as office supplies, just so that it makes some sense. Okay, now if you see the query pane, the name has been changed. In applied steps pane, whatever steps you apply to the data set, like changing the data type or splitting the column, each with each transformation, a new step is added. So now we will see some transformations. Okay. So if you look at the data set and if you look at the column header, like order date or region or rep or item, these all of them are of type text. And how do I know these are of type text? Because like ABC has been written in front of them. So if you see ABC in front of order date, ABC in front of region, and that is how I can make sure that the data type is text for all these columns. Now, it doesn't make sense to keep order date in text format. You want it to read as a date. So to change the data type, what I do is I click on ABC in front of order date column and I choose date from here. See, now the data type has changed from text to date and a new step has been applied over here. Similarly, region, it makes sense to keep it as a text. I won't do anything. Similarly, rep is the name of the sales representative and it is supposed to be text, so I won't change the data type. Finally, I have the item. Again, it makes sense for it to be in text. If I look the units are numbers, like how many units of the particular item are sold. These are supposed to be numbers. So I again go back to ABC, which is written in front of units, and I can choose either decimal number or a whole number. But since a quantity cannot be a decimal number, I choose a whole number over here. Now the data type has changed from text field to a numeric. And the lastly, I look at the unit price. Here I can see the unit price has decimal values like 4.99 or 12.49. So this time I choose a decimal number instead of whole number. So this is how you change the data type of different columns. Okay, so this is our first basic transformation that we did today. The second transformation that we will look today is how to split a column. Now, if you observe carefully, my column product, which is at the end, it has values like ABC pen set or PQR binder or XYZ pen set. Here, the first three characters like ABC or PQR or XYZ, these are my names of manufacturer. And the values after the hyphen are the item type. Okay, so we will split this particular column into two separate columns, which will give me manufacturer, and the item set. To split the column, I right click on the product on the column name, and I choose split column. I choose split column. Okay. So now there are various options which Power BI gives you. Whether you want to split it on the basis of a delimiter, on the number of characters, or the position. Okay. And these are some of the newly added features, like by lowercase to uppercase, or by uppercase to lowercase. In our example, we can either choose to split the column on the basis of either delimiter or the number of characters. The only reason I'm saying we can split the column on the basis of characters is because my manufacturer name has only 3 characters, and this is what I know. So let's just say I do not know how many characters the name of manufacturer has. So I can choose split by delimiter. So I click on delimiter, and this is the option that I get. Here, I can have various delimiters like a colon or a comma or a equal sign. But here my delimiter is a hyphen. So I click on custom and write hyphen over here. And Power BI is smart enough to detect some of the delimiters. Now it gives me various options. You want to split at the leftmost delimiter or the rightmost delimiter, or at every occurrence. Here I want the column to be split only when the first delimiter is encountered. So in this case, I'll choose leftmost delimiter and click on OK. Now if we scroll to the right and see, it has split into 2 columns, product 1 and product 2. Product 1 has the name of the manufacturer, and product 2 has name of the item. And this new step has been added in the applied steps, which is split column by delimiter. Okay. Now I know that this is the name of the manufacturer, so I can rename the column. I can write manufacturer. Okay. And I can write item type over here in my other column. All right. Now, if you carefully observe the data set, I have 2 columns, item type and item. Both these columns are same, so it doesn't make sense to keep duplicate values. So I can delete one of the columns. So now removing one of the columns is going to be our third basic data transformation that we will see today. So what I do is I select the column and right click on it, and I can choose remove. So if I click on remove, that particular column has been removed for me, and now this is the data set that you have in front of you. Now once you are confident enough that the data set has been properly set, as in all the transformations that are necessary have been performed, the data type is set correctly. So what you can do is you just go into close and apply. You first click on apply and allow Power BI to apply all the query changes. It will take some time. Once this is done, you can just go to close and apply and close this, and then you will go back to Power BI desktop view. So today we saw 3 basic transformations. Number 1, changing the data type. Number 2, splitting the column on the basis of a delimiter. And number 3, how to remove a column. Thank you guys.